Before you get started in iMovie, you will need to have saved two different media items in your camera roll on the iPad. First, you need to choose your background. We have a selection of backgrounds in our New Station add-on for the green screen that you can choose from, or you could even find images on Google with any background you'd like your students to be in front of. I'm going to create a weather report, so I've chosen this image. The next thing you'll need is a recording of your students in front of a green screen. For more information about green screens, please see the blog. It'll look something like this.
Today, I'm going to be talking about the weather.
Once you have both these items, you're ready to put your movie together in iMovie. Start by opening iMovie. This is a free app to download from the App Store, and you'll want to choose Movie to start a new project. The first thing you want to select is your background image, and then press Create Movie. Once you've done this, you need to turn off the Ken Burns effect. To do this, click the image and then click on Ken Burns Enabled to disable that effect. And then, using a pinching motion, make sure the whole image is visible in the screen. Next, you want to drag out the image so the length is a little bit longer to suit your movie. Once you've done that, it's time to add the green screen movie. Press the plus and find your video. Once you've found it, you want to click on it and then press the three little dots. A drop-down menu will show up and you want to choose Green-Blue Screen. This will automatically drop your green screen video onto your background and everything green just disappears.
Today, I'm going to be talking about the weather.
Now, using the same dragging motion as earlier, you can reduce the size of the background image so it matches the video. You can also adjust the volume of the green screen video and play around with the settings of the green screen video, such as the sensitivity, and this helps if there are some shadows in your video. You can also crop the green screen video if there's parts of it that you need to crop out. To save your movie, click Done, click the share sheet, and then choose Save Video, and it will save it to your camera roll.